We are here in Mount Elgon to restore the ecosystem of Mount Elgon. We will be doing 200,000 trees. The reason as to why we are here is because of the effects of climate change, and it's affecting all of us, both the youth and the older people. But as the youth, we have taken the initiative to come and take care of the environment because we need it.
Apart from just planting trees, we also work hand in hand with other stakeholders, that is the community, the government, non-governmental organization and private institutions, so that everyone takes ownership of these resources. It does not only belong to people who plant them or people who stay there. It's a collective action. So like here you can see we are planting exotic trees, and once we live here, the community who are living here are going to take care of these trees. So they are being allocated portions where they cultivate their crops, and in doing so, they are still taking care of these trees.
The people of forestry. Now, Musinde University has been given a target. For example, this financial year, we are supposed to plant 28,400 seedlings. Now, I think by the end of this session here, we would have crossed the 20,000. Recently, we were told that we have been allocated 100 acres, not 100,000, 100 acres of land in this area here.
Now, athorimi a mirimu ya mai ni makoretwo makiuga ati bura ikorirwo ikiura riwa ikorwo igicungirirĩa mirimu iria irehagwo ni tutambi na turia tungiruta mirimu mingi makiria kuri nyamu undu uria ataramu ya maugite ni undu wa tutambi gukorwo tukirekereria matumbi na gukorwo ukimagiciarana kwa ihinda na riu ya gukorwo ari mutino munikiria kuri hiyo ma andu.
Love to have some funding, do some terms of
maybe be specific with the flooding, the ongoing flooding that is ravaging the country and is wreaking havoc in most parts of the country. In fact, like 70% of the entire nation has actually been affected by flooding. And when we have flooding, there are potential other epidemics like break, because with increase in flooding, then it means that there's going to be a favorable ground for vector-borne diseases.
I just want to tell people that to be very cautious at this time when there is a lot of rain. When there is a lot of rain, we usually expect diseases that like Rift Valley fever, and this disease is zoonotic. It means that it can move from animals to humans, and the main way of transmission is through either direct or indirect contacts with the animal products.
Rift Valley fever huu pia inatoka katika wanyama wa misitu kupitia wadudu na inaweza ambukiza binadamu, na ni ugonjwa pia ambayo tunasema sio ya kuchezea pia.